Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing very good. We are also very good. So here we are today again with a new vlog. And today you can see Jia is not with me because she is sleeping. She is so tired that she slept. So today is already Shashti. It's the 6th day of Navratri, and from tomorrow the real celebrations start because tomorrow is Saptami, and this Durga Puja is the most awaited event of the year for us Bengalis. And do you know what I was doing? Yesterday whole day I did my assignments till 2 a.m. in the morning. So I didn't sleep last night because I have to submit all my assignments by today morning. And I don't know what is wrong with my school because every year during this Durga Puja they give us a heap of assignments, and this year also no exception. I don't know what they were doing the whole year, the whole lockdown period. And all of the sudden my school decided that we should submit all of the assignments by today morning. They gave us only 3 to 4 days to complete 14 assignments, and that also we need to be very artistic with the assignments. We have to draw pictures, then we have to paste pictures, we have to write. That was my potatoes whistling in the background, but can't say anything, it's a Catholic school, so we have to do what they say. And you know, yesterday when I was doing the assignments, my friends calling me, asking me what I am doing, asking me how I am doing, video calling me, telling me to show what I am doing. So yesterday whole day I did the assignments, and today morning I submitted them, and what a big relief. And you know what? Just after submitting the assignments, just after I came from school, I slept for 2-3 hours. So I really had zero time for vlogging. You may be thinking that I'm uploading continuously, but when we go to some places, sometimes I shoot videos and sometimes my mom shoots video. So we had the clips ready, so we just assemble them and we upload them. So I had no time for vlogging and no time for replying your comments, because when I reply the comments and I also watch your videos, and some of you got offended because you have commented and I have not replied. It hurt me so much. I know you have the right because you are my subscribers and viewers. So I'm really sorry from the bottom of my heart. But still I have tried to reach out to all of you who have visited my channel. But I have tried to watch all the latest uploads of my viewers and subscribers and commented also. So it was all about my hearts and pains and issues. And you know what? Our Navratri menu plan has gone totally flying out of the window. Because we did not prepare a single dish, and you know why. Sometimes we have eaten outside. Sometimes we have eaten so simple and fast food that you can't even imagine. And sometimes we have ordered from outside. And our breakfasts are always brought from bakeries. So there is nothing to show. So see what I have worn today. It is the play suit, my birthday gift. So today Today, after submitting the assignments, I got mentally free. So after that, we went to the mall to buy gifts because during Ashtami and Navami, my mom feeds little kanjaks, that is little girls. She does Kumari Puja or Kanya Puja? That is Kumari Puja, and we give them too. So we have to buy lots of gifts, and we also bought gifts to give to our neighbors, our relatives, and mom's friends. So it's already Shashti, and still my puja outfit vlog is not done. All my dresses are ready, all my shopping is done, but I'm not getting time to shoot them. Maybe that vlog will come tomorrow, so stay tuned. Here we are going to the malls to buy some gifts for the Kumari Puja and others. Somehow our town is giving totally puja vibe, and we went to at least 3 malls. Selecting gifts for people is very confusing because if you see something and you like it very much, but then you think that they will like it or not. So, we have been continuously searching through the racks to make sure that we select the best. We also needed some glasswares and gift set because mom needed to gift her friends. And here Jia is still looking for pencil boxes. So after selecting the toys, we moved to the glassware section. This is Vishal Mega Mart, and the racks are filled with very beautiful products and very cheap prices. Next, we moved to the furnishing section because we needed to buy some cushions. And lastly, if you like our videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you get the notification whenever we upload a new video. Bella ciao!